Good afternoon, everyone. It is a beautiful Wednesday and got some good news. My new tires for the C63 are in. So we're gonna go and grab the Jeep because there is lots of room. Old Mercedes bag that I got when I got the car. But yeah, we got plenty of room to put the tires in the back, so let's go pick them up.
All right, guys, I am out on the highway. We're about a 15-minute drive or so away from my buddy's house to pick up the tires. I want to give a shout out to Vader Performance once again. Same guys that I ordered a lot of my WiseTech parts for my C63. If you guys want to pick up any stuff, this isn't a paid promotion or anything. He's just a good, trustworthy guy that gets great deals. So in the description below, you can go check out his website and email him if you need to get any tires or aftermarket parts. You want to tune your Benz or your BMW or whatever, go hit him up. So yeah, we're gonna head over there. We're gonna pick up the tires, and then I will let you guys know what my plan is with the tires. I will tell you this: the current rubbers that I have on my C63, we are going to do a 0 to 60 second time run to see what the time is, because we haven't done anything after I got the car modified. So since my ECU tune, downpipes, all that stuff, the carbon fiber air boxes, we haven't done a 0 to 60 test. And the stock one, I think we got 3.9 seconds from 0 to 60. Hopefully we'll be able to beat that. I would think so, unless traction's really bad. So we're gonna try that. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna do that tomorrow or Friday, depending on how the weather turns out. And in the meantime, I will be setting up an appointment to get my new tires on the rims so that we can do another 0 to 60 time with actually good tires on that can hopefully give us the traction we need to post a good time. So we're going to be doing all of that. You're going to get a ton of content with the C63. On top of that, we're probably going to have a little bit more fun with the stock rubbers that I have on there now. We'll probably do some burnouts and some donuts, and we'll probably wear down the tires quite a bit now that I got some new ones. So, but anyway, I'll let you guys know more about that in a little bit once I pick up the tires. I'm going to focus on the road here, and we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, we're here. I can see the tires sitting beside the W204 C63. Look at that bad boy.
Look at that sexy thing. This thing's got some balls too. It's all tuned up. But this is why we're here, right here. Look at these. Ugh. Damn, those things are big. Whew. Beefy. I like it. So these are the Bridgestone. Ugh. And these ones are the 295/30 R20s, and these ones over here are the 265s. 265/35 R19s. So we've got these ones in the front, the bigger ones on the back. That's gonna look awesome. All right, let's get them in the Jeep. Man, these things are big. Holy shit. I knew they were gonna be bigger than the other ones I got, but I wasn't expecting that. Ugh. All right, let me go grab the other two. All right, there they are. Let's take them home. Let's take another quick look at them when we get in the garage. Listen to the power of the Jeep. Woo! 110 kilometers an hour, baby. All right, I'm home. All right, here they are. We've got them home. These are the 265s. I will say they look really, really sleek. They're gonna look so badass on the whip. Damn. Look at that. Let me open up the garage real quick. Look at the size difference. So right now I've got the Michelins on here. On the back, they're 285 30/20s. And once again, these ones are 295 30/20s. So gonna be a little bit wider. And in the front, we currently have, a little dark here, 255 35 R19s. It is a staggered rim, so we do have 19s in the front and 20s in the rear. So, oh man, they look real nice. What do you guys think? Also, people were asking me why I decided to get these tires and not like the Cup 2s or whatever they're called. The Cup ones are like, they were about $350 more expensive, about $100 more per rubber. And on top of that, they make a shit ton of road noise. Now, apparently, these make a fair amount of road noise as well. I'm definitely going to tell the difference between these and the stock ones that come on there. I would have gotten the Michelin S Sport or whatever they're called, but they're sold out everywhere. Couldn't get them, and I needed these on because we have got several events to go to next month, including getting the car dynoed. We're going drag racing, we're going to the track, and I just needed to get some tires with some really good grip so that we're not, you know, spinning all over the place or unable to get good traction. So hopefully these will do it, guys. The next video you will get either, it's probably not going to be tomorrow because I'm looking at a whole bunch of rental properties tomorrow, but the next day for sure I will be taking out the C63 and we'll be doing 0 to 60 on these stock tires after the tune. And then once we get all kinds of footage and we have some fun doing donuts and burnouts and doing a bunch of 0 to 60s, we will get those in the shop early next week, put them on those rims, and then we'll be doing it all over again. We'll be doing another 0 to 60, and then we'll be getting closer and closer to all of the different Cars and Coffee and different car shows and events that are going to be starting up here in the beginning of June all the way through to the end of summer. I am so excited. We haven't done a whole lot with the car yet this year. I've been having a lot of fun out in the Jeep, obviously. I'm loving it. Still waiting for my winch to get in, and we are still figuring out what kind of bumper. I think I'm going to end up getting more of a stubbier bumper. I've been looking at a whole bunch of different ones, and I'm kind of liking the look. So I'm definitely going to keep this grill on here. Like, I know a lot of you guys were like, oh, I don't like it. And then there's some people that absolutely loved it. I've had people email me asking where to get this. And I did see this on Amazon when I was looking at a bunch of parts here for the Jeep. So if you guys are interested on that, that is on Amazon. I do believe it was relatively cheap. It was like 200 Canadian bucks or something. But it just makes it look like it's a mean face. I like it personally. But in terms of the bumper, I think we're going to shorten it up a little bit. Get one of those like guardrail things that go up kind of like that. I don't know. I don't know much about Jeeps. So it's just going to be more of a personal cosmetic preference, but I think that's the route we're going to go. Anyway, more about the Jeep a little bit later on. This is all about the C63. I'm so happy we got the tires. There it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think about these Bridgestones. Did I make a good choice? I be honest with you, I didn't really have much other choice. Worst case scenario is we burn the living hell out of these over the summer, and then next year we end up getting the Michelins. But I got a pretty good feeling about these ones here, the RE-71Rs. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. The next one is going to be action-packed. We're going to be doing some 0 to 60. We'll see you then. Take care. Peace out.